Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nick Drake's iconic song, Pink Moon. First, we will cover the essential guitar tuning, which is C, G, C, F, C, E, often with a capo on the 2nd fret. Then, we will delve into the distinctive fingerpicking technique, focusing on the rhythmic patterns and chord shapes. Finally, we will explore the song's simple yet effective structure and dynamics for an authentic performance. To begin, tune your guitar to the open C, G, C, F, C, E tuning. Many players also use a capo on the 2nd fret to match the original recording's pitch. The fingerpicking involves a unique double strumming style. Your thumb and index finger handle the bass notes, while your ring and little fingers gently brush the higher strings, creating a rich, percussive sound. The song's structure is quite straightforward, consisting of a main verse section and a brief, repeated interlude. You'll primarily be working with a few key chord shapes that flow seamlessly into one another. It's crucial to maintain a consistent, moderate tempo, around 100 beats per minute, and to pay close attention to the subtle dynamic shifts. This helps capture the song's introspective mood. For effective practice, begin at a slow pace, gradually increasing your speed as your accuracy improves. A metronome is invaluable for developing precise rhythm and consistent timing. Listen carefully to Nick Drake's original recording to grasp the subtle nuances and overall feel. Remember, the goal is to convey the song's melancholic and reflective atmosphere through your playing, making each note count.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.